Hey guys, Sofia on Earth here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to be starting a new little series on my channel called CVS Couponing 101. That's right, I'm going to be giving you guys all the tips and tricks about couponing at CVS. In this series, I'll be talking about extra care cards, how to make a CVS account, what CRTs are, pitches, what extra care bucks are, how to use them, and how to reroll extra bucks and really pay nothing out of pocket, and so much more. This series will consist of many different episodes, each episode talking about their very own topic. If you watching this right now have any questions about anything CVS, couponing related, or anything like that you would like me to go over in this little series, be sure to comment that down below and I will definitely add it into my series for you. Anyways, this is just a little quick video to keep you guys well aware of what is coming up in my channel. I'm going to be doing my best to at least upload once a week to this series. If not once a week, I will definitely try to do once to twice a week. But I am definitely very passionate about completing the series for you guys and answering all of your questions and just covering everything related to CVS couponing and to help my newbie couponers get started at CVS. If you are interested in this CVS Couponing 101 series, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure to turn on post notifications and make sure to turn those into all so you get notified every time I upload a new video, because you are not going to want to miss out on this series. I can promise you that. Alright guys, I'm so excited for this new series on my channel. I really hope you guys are too. Also, keep an eye out because on each of these episodes, I'm going to be doing little hidden giveaways to help you guys at CVS get started. So there's gonna definitely be some CVS gift card giveaways. So make sure you guys have your eyes wide open for those giveaways. And I think that's about it for this little intro. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the first CVS couponing episode. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this series. Bye!